Hello everybody and welcome back to the video. Today I'll be giving you a TikTok tutorial trend on the Dominic Toretto family meme. Now you may be thinking, Ben, this meme is a little bit old. No, the meme has evolved into any celebrity ever, so your imagination can run wild in your new videos. Now for my returning subscribers, I'd like to thank you for returning. I'd like to thank you for sticking around. It's been a month since I uploaded. I would like to upload my 1000 subscriber Q&A. I'm very grateful for hitting 1000 subscribers. Big dream of mine. Never thought I'd hit it. I'm at 1240. If you'd like to help me to perhaps 2000 subscribers, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. This channel is about TikTok trends and TikTok tutorials. I will upload other content as I say, so if you do have any questions for my 1000 subscriber Q&A, please put it in the community tab or down in the comment section below. Now a brief history of the trend. The trend uses two songs. It uses Los Bandoleros by Omar and it also uses Loki's theme. The origins of the trend is family. Now if you haven't seen Fast and the Furious 9, spoiler alert, it's a little bit out there. The franchise has gone from, this is not a movie review, but the franchise has gone from Fast and the Furious 1, which is about racing, street racing and slips, to now going into space. It's got a little bit out of hand. You can see on Dominic Toretto, or Vin Diesel, the actor, his Instagram is literally flooded with family. The comments is just all about family. I feel so bad for him. But the point of the meme is the fact that the Dominic Toretto family can get through anything. They can get through submarines, they can get through planes, they can get through space because they have family. That is their one thing. They can survive anything because of family. Family is more important than anything, as they say in the film, or that's just a meme. But your imagination can run even further. The fact that this trend has evolved from Dominic Toretto to any single celebrity ever. You can use any single key phrase or key word which that celebrity uses to then add them into the video you want to use. Now I'm going to give you two options here. I'm going to give you an option where you can have Dominic Toretto as a still image, so he is not moving. Or you can go a little bit more fancy, a little bit more professional, and go for option 2 here, and you will be having Dominic Toretto move and zoom in and zoom out or whatever you want. So option 1, I will do the still image first. So what you want to do, go onto Google, type in PNG, save that image. Then you'll want to crop out the image itself. This is where it's up to you. I see people going on Snapchat using the scissor tool, highlighting Dominic Toretto's face and then simply adding it onto the screen. I personally use an app called CapCut where you can remove the background, but I will be showing you how to do that later in the video with the moving image. You can also do this on Photoshop. I'm sure you can find another app where you can just simply crop out Dominic Toretto's face, or you can do it on literally the camera roll. You can crop it out and go square. So now you want to start filming. Frame 1 is going to be the setting, or you can present the problem immediately. Frame 2 is the person, the cashier, the customer, someone saying no, telling you no, you can't do that. Then frame 3 is going to be a very important frame. It's going to be you saying family or the key word and saying your problem. So, oh, I really miss my family, or anything you desire. Then frame 4, here we go. This is going to be where you put in your still image of Dominic Toretto. What you want to do is go onto green screen and then get your face out of the way so you're not in the way of the camera, and then film. Then that will be your still image of Dominic Toretto. Then you probably want to do it again after frame say 6 or 7. Now that is in fact the easier method how to do it. Your quality, thanks to using inside the app of TikTok, will be worse. The crop itself will be worse. I know people don't really care about the quality and professionalism of their videos. I certainly do. So I'm going to show you method 2, and if you want to take an extra 5, not even 5 minutes, extra 2-3 minutes, your video will look much better. So method 2, you film outside of the app. Your quality when you film inside of the app actually drops from 1080p to 720p. Now with the filming, you want to be using the back of your camera as it has a much better quality than the front facing camera. I know some phones go up to 4K. Your phone probably does, I'll be honest. I know you're up to date, you're probably 4K right now. Once you've filmed your video, got every scene ready, Dominic Toretto's face is not on there yet, but every scene is complete and it's on your camera roll, download the app CapCut. Literally an essential app for TikTok, honestly. If you want to go on to new project, then add your video. Whilst you add your video, you also want to go what we did before, which was go onto Google Images and get an image of Dominic Toretto saved. This can have a background, this can't have a background, it doesn't matter. We were going to remove the background. You want to go back onto your project, then press overlay, then scroll to remove background. Furthermore, in the app you can actually crop Dominic Toretto's body to his head if you want to. So you can just get his neck and his head involved. But as you can see in the background, I've actually got Dominic Toretto's already on Dominic Toretto's face. I know, it's Inception. That's because I'm a professional TikToker. Follow me at benbarwick0. I like to post on TikTok and I like to edit my videos on a computer. I've used DaVinci Resolve, which is an editing software. It's completely free. And if you want to do that, very simple to do face tracking. But we are doing face tracking inside of the phone because I'm sure everyone watching this video would rather watch it on their bed, on their phone. So what you want to do is go back to the app. You've added in your Dominic Toretto face, and now we're going to drag and drop the image to cover the face of the person. Using keyframes, we are going to move the face so it tracks the person's face, because it's called face tracking. All you simply want to do is when you've got onto the correct position, correct rotation, correct angle, you want to press the diamond keyframe. That'll be your first keyframe, and then you want to go to the end, or you can go in the middle and add multiple keyframes, but you want to go to the end, which is the final position, and then change that to where the keyframe is, and you scroll through the video and add more keyframes to just make sure that you've covered the whole face. I mean, look how much professional that looks, rather than a still image. And you want to do that again for the next scene where you show Dominic Toretto or any celebrity you have. Now you simply play back your video, watch it back. I'm sure there's some effects and filters you can use on CapCut to make the video look even better, but I think it's good enough. All you got to do now is export it. Go onto TikTok, add that sound back in, add hashtag Dominic Toretto, add tag benbarwick0 because I love to see your creative videos. However, you do want to crop the video to 9:16 if it isn't already, because that's the format on TikTok. And if you don't crop it to the correct size, then you'll have just 2 black bars and it'll just ruin your video. But now you're finished and you can post it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a question in the comment section below or in the community tab for my 1000 subscriber special. I've always wanted to do one. So yes, thank you. Please subscribe as well, and I'll see you in my next one. I can't reach.